Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Teazers Black Lightning Wand. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers Black Lightning Wand itself. As you can see, it's a very large wand, and you can treat yourself to powerful vibrations or a massage with this lightning wand. It has an extra powerful motor for the best vibrations. It has a large round head here, which is made of a soft silicone, so it feels very soft and smooth on the skin, and it's also slightly flexible as well. The vibrator can be used in various ways and comes equipped with 5 speeds and 5 patterns. It's very simple and easy to operate. Press and hold on the bottom button and it's on. There is a plus button and a minus. To increase the vibrations and speed, click on the plus button, and to decrease them, click on the minus. To turn off the lightning wand, press and hold down on the bottom button again, and it's now off. It's very simple and easy to recharge using the magnetic USB charging cable provided. Simply attach the two together like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using the Teazers Black Lightning Wand, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean it after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the Teazers Black Lightning Wand. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.